welcome to Tech Bites. Today we have with us Mr. Prashant Sinha, Head of Marketing from Wika India. Welcome sir, welcome to the interview. So please tell us about yourself and your company.
So my name is Prashant Sinha. I'm Head of Marketing in Wika India. I've been working here since last 3 years. About Wika as a group, so Wika is a German-based company, headquartered at Klingenberg, Germany, founded in 1946. In India, we are there since 1997, so almost 27 years of completion. In India, we have 4 plants in operations. One is in Pune, one in Chennai, Faridabad and Ghaziabad. We are manufacturer of the measurement instruments, be it pressure, temperature, flow, weight, calibration, everything we manufacture it. And everything is in-house manufactured.
So please tell us about your recently what solutions you have introduced for the food sector.
So food sector, we have lots of solutions already available. Recently, we have invested in one of the production unit in Pune, which is on the force measurement, which means weighing technology. Okay. So wherever there is a weight required in the process industry, be it bottling, dairy products, anything, that measurement we are manufacturing load cells. So we have invested in the plant here. So that is something which we have already displayed in this show.
Okay.
So it's a live demo unit which we have kept it, which measure the precise measurement.
Okay. Can you tell us about your key innovations or key solutions which you already have?
So since we are the only player in the market who manufacture entire measurement solution. So that is something which is our key strength. So suppose if somebody need flow, pressure, temperature, we are the one-stop solution. There are many companies who are into the measurement instrumentation, but they are not giving the entire range of measurement. So that is something which is a very innovative part of thing. Yes. Secondly, we have our in-house R&D team who innovates the different product. So recently we have launched, last year we have launched one product which is for the building application. It's a firefighting application. So we manufacture the FSFD, it's a fire detected switch. Okay. That is something which is very innovative. Hardly 2 or 3 companies are manufacturing it. So that is something which are there.
Would you like to tell us that in what way your R&D team is working on? In what solution it is working on?
So we are keeping regular tab on the market, and whatever the customer requirement is there, we do that customization, or even if there is a need to develop new product, we can do that.
Okay.
So that's how our R&D team is capable of. And we have been continuously improving and developing new customers here.
So, how do you differentiate yourself from your competitors who are already present in the market?
Yeah, so it's a big market for the instrumentation. How we are different? One is that very few international companies are having the manufacturing plant in India. Even if they are having it, they are maximizing importing it and then reassembling it. Wika is the one who manufactures almost 80% of the entire product basket in India.
Okay.
And then every plant we have a calibration lab, and that is enable accredited calibration lab. So which again it's a differentiator from the competition, because none of these companies are having in-house the calibration lab. We have the in-house calibration lab.
Can you name some of your major clients whom you are serving in this industry?
So just to name few, we have Coca-Cola, Nestle, Amul, Pepsi. So lots of.
What solutions you are providing?
So we are giving currently obviously the measurement instruments, which recently we have supplied to Nestle globally, where we have supplied one of our double diaphragm seal system, which helps them to reduce the contamination in the food.
Okay.
So it's a diaphragm seal, it's a very precise thing, and food is something which is life, critical thing. So no contamination should be there. So that's solution.
So would you like to tell us about? Would you like to describe a little about this contamination, how it works, and?
So usually when there is a flow in any process, there is a flow of anything. Whether it's liquid, milk, something. So if there is no breakdown, so if something happens, so we have a double seal system. So even if that gets not working, then our different system, ensure that no contamination should happen.
Okay. So what are your expansion plans to India and internationally?
So we are expanding. Even if you look at our last 3 years trend, we have almost put up one recently plant we have launched in 2021 in Ghaziabad. That's an entirely new plant. Then we have implemented one more production unit for the skid manufacturing. Then the fourth one is there. For future, we wanted to go for an automation kind of system, where we are working on some IoT solutions. That is something which we look forward to.
Okay, like those are your future plans.
That's our future. We wanted
Would you
to
like
enter.
to tell us more about your
So
the IoT?
usually IoT, see, if you look at any plant, right, everybody needs a remote monitoring, and a system should be capable enough to predict if there is any, maintenance is required. So that is the purpose of IoT. So from any location worldwide, you can just monitor that plant, how that plant is performing. So that where we wanted to go on.
Okay. So, would you like to tell us about a case study where your solutions significantly improved challenges faced by your
So
customers?
it's the same thing like Nestle, what I told you. It's a very nice.
What challenge Nestle was
So
facing and
the
how you
challenges
solved?
Nestle was facing, that there was no double diaphragm system available.
Okay.
So there was only single diaphragm system. So they usually face, because they also have a quality check, and when the process flows through that particular pipe, and ultimately the quality is not the one at par, but they are expecting. So they are facing that challenge. So we have introduced the double diaphragm system, where the double, the layer of the production is there for the contamination.
Okay.
So that's it.
Any new solutions you are planning to launch?
We, in terms of solution, we are wanted to go with only the IoT one, because that's the trend, and that's the need of every process plant, where things can be remotely monitored. They should get some indicating for any productive maintenance, data analytics. All this is there. We wanted to go penetrate to that segment.
Any final message for our readers?
So particularly for if you were talking about the Anuga Food Tech, so this is the first time where we are participating in Anuga Food Tech. So far so good. It's the first day. The footfall are less, but yes, we're expecting.
For the magazine readers.
For the magazine leaders, trust Wika. Wika has all the solution for your needs. Your application, our solution. That's what we call it. And we have recently changed our tagline also from part of business to smart and sensing. So that itself showing that we are going towards the automation and the IoT system. So we have the entire measurement solution. So that's.
Thank you so much, Prashant sir, for being with us for this interview. Thank you so much.